Welcome to ProLab University. The class is now in session. In this brief program, we will share the history of ProLab, its uncompromising dedication to excellence, and introduce you to its broad spectrum of standard-setting products. ProLab was born out of the need for an honest, no-nonsense line of performance nutrition products for elite athletes. All of the raw materials we use are hand-selected, tested for purity, and chosen for quality and potency. This standard of excellence is captured in ProLab's quality assurance seal, boldly displayed on each of our world-class products. ProLab has been an industry innovator for over 20 years. In fact, we have helped to pioneer the very industry of sports nutrition. Here's the bottom line. ProLab continually strives to take the guesswork out of performance supplementation. Performance simplified is our motto. Our products are engineered for results, period. Each ProLab product features specialized formulas designed to support training and nutrition goals for all stages of a fitness regimen. Whether you are just a beginner or a highly advanced competitive athlete, ProLab has a product to fit your needs. ProLab offers products for bodybuilders who want to build size and mass, powerlifters and strength athletes who want lean, powerful, and explosive muscle, performance athletes who desire strength, speed, and efficient muscle gain, everyday fitness enthusiasts looking to build a lean, aesthetically pleasing physique. Our ever-growing line of supplements is categorized into three goal-specific families. The Performance family of products is formulated to deliver precision nutrients that help fitness enthusiasts and athletes gain the edge. Our line of proteins offer premium-grade protein to fuel a healthy dietary regimen. Finally, our weight management products offer the tools that help dieters achieve a healthy, lean physique. Thank you for attending this session of ProLab University. We hope you have enjoyed this program and have gained valuable information that you can apply towards achieving your fitness goal. For more ProLab University courses and detailed product information, be sure to visit us at www.prolab.com.